Yeah! Such a team!
Perfect. Very exciting.
Alex!
And yeah!
You have to find the area with the less turbulence, and that's the point really. The aircraft performs outstanding. We were over the top. We could easily do operationally, we could do a long line operation up there. We went up there, we stood and hovered into wind over the summit. Easily you could do a long line. You could rescue people. You can save lives with this machine. I'm really, really proud for the company that they built such a beautiful product to make this happen up there.
Aterrizamos en el Aconcagua, una cumbre simbólica de casi 7.000 metros, en un entorno maravilloso, con un tremendo producto y un gran equipo de profesionales. Aquí tuvimos a todos los ingredientes para cumplir nuestra misión.